Hi students, welcome to VIJ CHEM YouTube channel. So now we are going to see something regarding the KVPY. So KVPY is the one of the prominent examination which is attended by the most of the IIT toppers. Actually, this exam is a brain testing your thinking abilities. So this exam is attended by almost all good students of the all over India, and this scheme is being introduced by the central government to encourage the students to become the future scientist. So this is Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana. So Vaigyanik means scientist to make the scientist in India. So this is as a encouragement, Protsahan for encouragement. They have introduced the KVPY. And for this is just not a course. It is you are going to get some amount as a encouragement, you can say, as a funding. Okay, so they are funding for serving our India. Okay, so here there are what are the courses or what are the fellowships they are giving, and these fellowships will be an added advantage to every student. Okay, so whenever you are going for in future interviews or somewhere, you will get additional benefits also. So it will be very important for every student who are going to be let it be in the class 11th and class 12th, and those who are joined in the MSc BSc also. Okay, so what are those the details we are going to check here, and how to apply, what is the syllabus, everything I will be covering. So before that, I expect that everybody will subscribe my channel if not yet subscribed, and press bell icon so that you can get the future notification, and join my telegram, and that link also I will give you in the description box, so that I can guide you properly with providing with the proper notes and video lectures. And also you can follow me on my blogspot, you can follow me on my Instagram, you can join me in the Facebook. So lot of facilities will be available at various social networking sites. So coming to the 3 points, here there are three streams they are considering: stream SA, stream SX, and stream SB. So stream SA is for those who enrolled or planning to join class 11. That means those who cleared the 10th examination, those who passed the 10th examination and studying in the first year of the class 11th. Okay, that is intermediate first year, you can say 2021 to 2022, they should be in the first year. Okay, so and aspiring to join these courses in the 2023-24. So from that time onwards, you will be getting the benefits of KVPY. That amount will be given to you. Some amount will be given to you. What is that amount? That also we are going to discuss. So stream SX. So SX is for the those who are presently in the 2021-22 academic year. They should be in the class 12th, and they should join the courses given here in the 20 to 23. And you don't take it this amount as a very much high, even though it will be very helpful for the poor student, and also going to give you a added advantage those who wanted to join IITs and going to any interview. If you add the certificates, this fellowship certificate, eligibility certificate, that will be very very beneficial to you. So stream SB, that is for the first year of the BSc, BS, BStat, BMath. Okay, then they should join the 2021-22. Okay, so next application is starting from the 12th July. That link I will be giving you, and I will be showing you also. So last date for this is 25th August, and as of now the exam is planned at 7th November. So don't neglect this very important examination. Let us see the website link and some more details about the KVPY. So here it is the website related to this KVPY. So you can check everything. For example, fellowship summary. So if you are in the first to second year of third year of the summary, you will monthly will get a 5,000. Monthly 5,000 is not a bad amount. So, and annual contingency grant you will be getting 20,000 annually contingency. And after joining, after completing the BSc or this graduation, then you can, if you are joining to the MSc till fourth and fifth year, you will be getting 7,000. It will be upgraded by 2,000 per month every month. Then contingency is also increased to 28,000. Okay, so here you get everything, Doordarshan interview about KVPY and all relevant. Even you can get the important question papers also. KVPY question paper, KVPY 1990, 2019, 2020, and status offer. And here all papers are here. Okay, so this all links I will be giving you in the description box. Kindly join me, and don't forget to join the Telegram group and follow me blogspot so that I can guide you there. If any type of doubt you are having, you can ask me in the comment section. See you, future scientist. Bye bye.